What's going on there, Fast and Furious fans? I am falling. Go to Dom Dub's page right now and get your Racer's Edge t-shirts, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to a good cause. We're gonna get this Jetta out here to Los Angeles and put it right here in front of Toretto's Market. So go to Dom Dub's page, order your t-shirt now, and I'll show you the back. I can't really show you the back, but it's cool. It says Racer's Edge. How can you not like that?
What's going on, guys? Today I'm super excited because we are going to see the Maxima. The paint is fully done. We're going to check out the car with Martin. He's going to explain us what he did to the car, the challenges and everything. But also I'm actually bringing the sound system, sorry for the mess, of the Maxima. We're going to put that in the car to install it later, but it's super exciting. So without further ado, let's jump on the road and go see the Maxima. So I just arrived at the body shop. The Maxima is right over here and it looks fabulous. By the way, that's a Skyline. So we're going to meet up Martin and he's going to tell you what he did so far to the car. And to be honest, the car looks much better than it used to be a couple of weeks ago. So, salut.
Salut.
L'auto, encore une fois pour dire la même chose, l'auto a changé beaucoup.
Oui, ben là, la majorité des trims sont remontés, les poignées de porte, les serrures, la valise, les lumières en arrière. Il nous manque le capot. Hint.
Ouais, c'est ça qui arrive, il manque le capot.
Le putain de capot, pour utiliser le bon terme bien français. Fait qu'on attend après ça pour finaliser le devant. Évidemment, j'aime mieux l'avoir pour fitter tout le bumper, lumière, tout le kit. Ça a des petits ajustements.
Pour aligner toutes les gaps.
2-3 mm ici avec tous les jeux, ouais, ça va être beaucoup plus facile. En attendant, on va probablement finaliser tout le polissage d'ici une semaine ou deux. Probablement faire un bon clean-up à l'intérieur aussi. On va se préparer à travailler sur le système de son. Installer le radio. Des heures de plaisir.
Des heures de plaisir.
Des heures de plaisir. Ça, puis enlever parlant d'heures de plaisir, le super tape masqué qu'on a mis sur le toit.
Ouais, parce qu'il est arrivé comme un...
Bon, on a touché la peinture, puis c'est resté comme ça au soleil 2-3 jours, puis là, ben, c'est super sec.
Ça va prendre du temps.
Ça va être long à décoller, fait que ouais, la colle, c'est fâcheusement, avec le soleil, c'est un combo dégueu. Puis ben, c'est ça. En gros, on arrive pas mal à sa finition. Beaucoup encore de petites trims à remonter, des petites braquettes à attacher pour les pare-chocs. Vérifier aussi, on va faire des braquettes pour venir les hausses du tout ouvrant qui descendent dans le quarter en arrière à côté de l'exhaust.
OK.
Puis en gros, ouais, c'est ça. Fait qu'on on va rattacher des trucs, faire des petits touch-ups de noir sur le radiateur en avant, sur le support de radiateur en fait. Mettre les faux selles. Les miroirs, on a essayé un miroir tantôt, vous allez voir les photos, c'est super cute.
On a aussi essayé les jupes, on va voir ça à l'écran à un moment donné.
Un moment donné. Puis il va rester les jupettes installées sur le bumper en avant, fog lamp. Et l'autre fog lamp, le fog lamp JDM.
Bon, on n'a pas encore décidé
pas.
lequel qu'on va utiliser, il y a deux modèles.
Ça fait un an qu'on travaille là-dessus, mais on le sait pas encore.
Donc,
ouais, non, c'est beaucoup de choix de finition puis de petits trucs. Ton trim de carbone qu'il faut que tu commandes aussi.
Ouais, à l'intérieur. So basically, in the interior of the real car, you see it's supposed to have the carbon fiber over here. Also, you can see the big brake we need to install. Here's the mirror.
La grille, la peinturée qu'on n'a pas fait encore. Là.
Wait.
Super grille.
We need to paint that also.
Top and then some more mechanic. Supercharged missing somewhere here or a little bit both sides.
Twin supercharge.
Twin supercharge. Puis and some new straps someday. Because I'd like to not hear it when we start because it's crying like hell. But that's about it, I guess. Some more touch-ups, filling a little bit of tapes here and there.
So guys, this was the paint video of the Maxima. Honestly, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm super hyped about this because we can finally see the car coming together. That's awesome. So in the next video, well, in the upcoming next videos, we are going to install the big brake kit, the coilovers, and the supercharger. Also, we are still, like Martin said in the video, we're waiting on the hood. You know, so we are waiting on the hood to arrive for the car. But after that, we will need to paint the hood because the louvers are still being done right now. So yeah, you know, it's unfortunate, but anyway, so the hood will be installed in the car. We are waiting for the interior, but the interior should be done by maybe not next week, but I'd say in 2 weeks. So that's super cool. And also in the end, the graphics, the sound system, and all the final details on the car. I really hope you enjoy that kind of videos. I mean, if these videos are popular, if you like them, maybe I'm going to do another build. Martin and I were talking about it today, and we realized that, you know, in the gang, there's Leon's R33, which my buddy is already building right now. There's Jesse's Jetta, Vince's Maxima, and Letty's 240SX. And there's no replica whatsoever of Letty's 240SX. And since Martin loves to work on Nissans, you know, I'm just saying. So if you want me to build Letty's car, let me know in the comments down below. Also, we are restocking the Racer's Edge shirt. This is happening. So as you watch this video, the shirt is out. So you can order your shirt right now. The link is in the description down below. Don't forget to jump on it, because once they're gone, they're gone. There won't be any more restock of the Racer's Edge shirt. This is your last chance, so act fast. And maybe we're going to do some Maxima related shirt. Anyway, let me know also in the comment down below. Should we do a Maxima shirt? Anyway, guys, it was a pleasure as always. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. The more we are into this channel, the more we can do these kind of projects. They are quite expensive, but so far I'm able to do these cars because of you, because of your support. That's what I love the most, just sharing these built with you. So with that said, guys, I see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.